Hello, welcome to Superlife SD YouTube channel. This is Josias Charles. Today we are going to learn on how to make money with Superlife World Company. Superlife is a Malaysia-based company established in 2017. Superlife distributes different food supplement products such as STC30, Superlife Neuron Care, SNC, Superlife Colony Care Plus, SCC Plus, and Superlife Immune Care, SIC. Many of these products are manufactured by Mabel Biochemistry Company from Switzerland. Since 2017, Superlife has grown internationally. Superlife now operates in over 100 countries with more than 1 million active distributors. Do you need another source of income? Don't worry, Superlife World Company is here to make your dreams come true. You can choose to join Superlife by purchasing one of the following packages. 1. Starter Package. Here you buy one product worth $61. After doing payment, you get registered and become official member of Superlife Company. 2. Star Package. This package is worth $110. With this package you get 2 products and get registered as Superlife member. 3. Supreme Plus Package. This package worth $550. You get registered with Superlife and receive 10 STC30 products. 4. Super Package. This package worth $1,100. With this package you get registered and receive 22 STC30 products. After paying for one of the packages as explained above, you become the member of Superlife World Company. There are many ways of making money in Superlife. Today I will share to you some of ways of making money in Superlife Company. 1. Selling products. Remember, after joining Superlife you are given Superlife products, depending on your package. You can decide to sell your products to people who are in need of Superlife products and return all your money back. 2. Direct sponsoring. This is the payment you receive after recruiting or invite someone to join the business. This payment is made depending on the package your downliner joins with. Superlife World Company has set specific amount for direct sponsoring bonus. If someone joins with a starter package you are supposed to get $15 as direct sponsoring bonus. If someone joins with a star package you are supposed to get $30 as direct sponsoring bonus. If someone joins with a Supreme Plus package you are supposed to get $140 as direct sponsoring bonus, and if someone joins with a Super package you are supposed to get $350 as direct sponsoring bonus. 3. Pairing bonus. Pairing bonus is the payment you receive after getting at least 2 downliners, one at the left and another at the right side of your account. Whenever there is a minimum accumulation of 50 purchase points, PP, on both left and right legs of your accounts, it pairs up, 50 from left and 50 from right, to give you $9. So if you get 2 downliners who joins with starter package you get $9, if they join with a star package you receive $18, when they join with Supreme Plus package you get $75, and if your downliners joins with Super package you get $150. The more PP on both legs of your accounts, the more you earn pairing bonus. Also remember that PPs are accumulated from referring and placing new members under your team, and it does not matter who refers or places these new members under your team. As long as a new member comes under your team, you get PPs to earn pairing bonus. 4. Key-in bonus. This is the payment for only members with Super package. If you join Superlife with Super package you will earn 3% of the new package you are registering. That is to say, you will earn $1.50 for registering a starter, $3 for registering a star, $15 for registering a Supreme Plus and $30 for registering a Super member. 5. Repurchase Mall bonus. This is the payment you receive when your downliners buy more product from their back office. 6. Unilevel bonus. This is the payment you receive every month when you have successfully placed at least 10 people on your left and right leg, 5 on each leg, of your account, and these people are active in their Superlife business. 7. Crown Diamond bonus pool. Every end of the Superlife financial year, The company take 11% of its annual profit and distribute it to its members who have reached the level of Crown Diamond. Out of the above-mentioned ways of payment, Superlife give incentives to its members. Those incentives include but not limited to cars, mobile phones, laptops, and traveling trips from one country to another. I hope you enjoyed today's training. I am eagerly waiting to work with you in Superlife World Company. Remember to subscribe to Superlife SD YouTube channel and put on notification bell so that you don't miss any video uploaded. Also, you can visit our website at www.superlife.co.tz. Till next time, this is Josias Charles, network marketing expert and Superlife World representative in Tanzania.